This video tutorial I will explain what is VPN. We can think of VPN as a magical tunnel that makes your online activities super private and secure. It is like having your own secret path on the internet. Now we will see how a VPN works. The first point is secure connection. When you use the internet without a VPN, it is like shouting your request in a crowded room. But with a VPN, it is like having a private conversation. Your device creates a secure tunnel to the specific server. The second point is hiding your stuff. Imagine you are sending a letter. Without a VPN, it is like sending a postcard, which means everyone can see it. But with VPN, it is like putting your letter in a magical invisible envelope that only you and your friend can open. In case of internet, the website you are visiting. Third point is protecting your secrets. The information inside your tunnel is like a treasure chest, and the VPN locks it up with a special code. Only you and other end of the tunnel know that. This is called encryption, and it keeps your online treasures safe from anyone who might want to peek. Fourth point is changing your location. Sometimes you might want to pretend you are in a different place on the internet, maybe to watch a show or access the website which is not available in your country. With a VPN, it is like wearing a disguise. Websites see the location of the server at the end of your tunnel, not your real location. Fifth point is anonymous location. Your internet service provider knows where you are, just like your return address on the letter. With a VPN, it is like sending your internet connection to a friend house first. Now the websites only see your friend's address, not yours. The sixth point is access anywhere. If some websites are like exclusive clubs that only allow certain people in, a VPN is like having special pass that lets you enter from anywhere in the world. You can access websites that might be restricted in your country. In simple terms, a VPN is your online superhero cape. It makes your internet adventurous or private. Your messages are secret, and you can visit the places on the web as you were a cool spy. It is like having your own secret passage on the internet that keeps you safe and let you go wherever you want without anyone knowing. Remember, VPN is like a magical shield for your internet travels. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.